All right, are y'all ready? Yeah. So now we're about to battle. It's gonna be Maya and Zala against Nia, Trey, and Sugar. We're gonna see who has the better eruption. So on team Maya and Zala, they're using Coca-Cola, Shasta Cola, excuse me, and Mentos. And then when we have our opposing team over here, we're gonna be using hydrogen peroxide, some dish detergent, some quick rising yeast, water, and food coloring. All right. So, Nia, go ahead and get ready to mix your stuff up.
Okay. Do I pour this in here?
Yeah, you can be pouring yours in.
Okay, we're using the
I think we're gonna be the
whole
good team. Let's see about it.
Whoa. Yep, I remember the way. I tried Coca-Cola and this I never tried this before. How many?
Fill it up.
Just one?
Yeah, just one. Fill it up.
Zala, hold this like this. Hold it like this.
Oh my God, then we
And then you're gonna add that to the water.
Hold it with both hands.
I mean, we gonna
Hold it with both
lose.
hands. Like that, yeah.
Make sure it's all in there. All right, now stir that up in your water.
Okay. Hold it right. Hold it. Let me see.
Let Trey go ahead and stir that up.
Mia, hold this for me right quick. Okay, yeah, thank you. Wait, what? We can't help y'all. But I can't get up because now I can't hold it right there. It's gonna leave. Alright, that's good.
Keep stirring it. Stir it some more. Yeah, stir it up real good.
I'm putting a lot. Can you put it away? Let me see how much it is. A little bit more. Hold it right there. Alright. First off.
All right, and then Nia, go ahead and add a half a cup of peroxide into y'all's
Okay.
thing.
Wait. Oh, I don't know. We gonna actually win.
A half cup, so that should be a half. That one right there, the second one, is it a half?
Because he missed a half a cup of
If they
peroxide.
have this and that, they will only two. Maybe 10. So we will actually win.
What are you going to tell you? I know, I'm getting them out because it's hard to take them out.
You ready to pour the into them?
And then we pour them all in there?
Just a few of them. If you want a real good eruption,
And you just start to look like milk.
that's good.
I wish you could milk it, but I couldn't. Because I love milk.
That is right. These are strong. Okay, we're pouring out peroxide and the measuring cup.
It's looking like milk.
What if I'd be better than y'all right here?
Comment
Comment down below if Volcano is better. This is not going to pour good. Don't put it in there. Go ahead. I knew it.
Pour it to the side where the little thing is. You see the little part that goes like this? It's for you to pour. It's like a little spout. There you go. Add a little bit more in now.
I'm gonna pull this in.
Not yet, Trey.
I don't want to pour some more of this. I'm going to pour some more. I'm just going to pour it like this.
Okay. All right. Add some detergent.
How much?
A few squirts.
Hey, can I pour it in here this time?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, let Sugar pour a few of it. Not a lot of sugar, just a little bit. Okay, that's enough. And then Sugar, I want you to put some food coloring in there. Not yet, Trey.
No, don't put it here.
Open it for her.
Yes,
Not yet, Zala.
Put it inside there.
A few drops.
How much? Like 5?
You just about to drop it. Okay. All right, add some of the other one. Close that one.
I know how to do that. How do you do that? Not. She's lucky she could do this, but I
Don't drop it.
do the main this. Ooh, this doesn't
Let me
look
do
like
it.
milk.
Let me do it.
Okay, that's enough. All right. The tray. I don't want to put that. What that little napkin y'all had?
But this one was full of seeds.
Clean the fork off. And mix that. Clean the fork off and mix all it inside the
I didn't miss it.
volcano.
But can I miss it?
It don't matter. Let Mike Neil do it. She's taller.
I don't want to dump it in.
No, not
Wait, Trey. We're not ready yet. It's gonna be a competition.
Here, hold up.
Well, stuff looking like little flowers.
All right. That should be enough.
Can you tell me?
We're gonna pour it in the thing. She said 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go put it in. Okay?
All right. Wait, Trey. Pay attention, Trey, so you don't make no mess and you don't miss the hole.
Come on. No, hold it.
I like it.
Okay.
No.
Let her hold it.
All right. I'm gonna count down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
Put it in there. Come on, put it in there. Okay. Back. No, they want that. More Mentos. Hold up. Okay.
Oh my
Wait,
God.
I can hear it. Oh, put it in there. Let me see.
Dang, well, is that
Ours is better.
This thing like the
No, they can't win.
Maybe we should have used
Mentos. So the best one is this one. It's still going to add more Coca-Cola.
This is like the Jurassic period.
it's supposed to go.
But this is like the biggest one.
Ooh, it's still going.
Hold up.
Oh my God. Looks like the best.
Well, y'all, I don't see we lost.
Maybe we should have used real Coca-Cola.
I just know we was going to win. Because
And
you
then
didn't have the right amount.
Yes, we did have a right.
Nuh-uh. I was just
Well,
smart.
y'all lost. Y'all did not win.
I just know. You guys didn't have the right amount. Are we done now?
Leah, leave it alone. We won.
Y'all just still erupting. Look.
I'm still coming. Oh my. Now I was over here fishing. Oh, wait, stop.